Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the car and gaining access. Disconnect the negative terminal and open the hood. This eliminates surprise starts and electrical issues. Once done, locate the belt routing diagram or take a clear photo of the current belt path so you won't forget it. Now find the tensioner. You'll use a wrench or breaker bar to release tension. Apply steady force to rotate the tensioner, then slip the belt off an accessible pulley. Make sure to keep control so the tensioner doesn't snap back. With the belt off, remove it completely and inspect carefully for cracks, frayed edges, glazing, or missing ribs. These indicate replacement. Next, spin each pulley by hand or with a socket. Listen and feel for roughness or play in the tensioner and idler bearings. Replace any noisy or loose components because a new belt on bad pulleys will fail early. Clean grooves and remove debris to prevent misalignment. Once the path and parts are verified, position the new belt around most pulleys, leaving the hard. You complete the job by rotating the tensioner again and slipping the belt over the final pulley. Release the tensioner slowly so the belt seats evenly. Once installed, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine briefly while standing clear and watch the belt track across pulleys. It should run centered with no chatter. If you hear squeal or see misalignment, shut the engine off and recheck the routing and pulley alignment. One key troubleshooting tip. If squeal persists, substitute a known good tensioner or inspect pulleys for bent shaft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.